Do not compromise on your originality. You have your own personality. This cannot be personality compared with anybody else. Whether you come from rural background or urban background, whether you have come from poor family or rich family, you have your own personality. UPSC board is not going to have any preconceived notion. They are very objective, neutral. They want to see how much resilience you have, how much integrity, honesty you have, that you are not going to bluff the board. You are not going to be nervous. No, you are not going to be arrogant. You are not going to be overconfident. You will remain respectful, assertive, and you will talk sense. So you have to prepare around certain qualities, traits, say for example, leadership quality, decision making, problem solving, emotional intelligence, creativity. You should be a good team manager. You should be a good team leader. You are open to listening. You are also ready to accept whatever information comes to you. You are updated with information. You are upgrading yourself. These kind of qualities, if it is revealed, then you are going to be in the right direction to get good marks. You should be engaging the board. They should take rather interest in you whenever you talk. So you have to listen to them very empathically. You are very carefully. One of the biggest challenge that comes in interview is the candidate does not listen. A candidate is always prepared with the answer. So before the question ends, he has ready answer to give. And that kills the whole spirit of the interview. What is the sense? What is the meaning? What is really the emotion with which a board is going to ask you? The board would like to remain connected with you and get a chance to discuss with you. But if you are just bombarding with your answer in 200 words, 300 words like that you have done it, main exams, and this will not help in it. Have small answers. Rather create a curiosity in the mind of the member who are asking question, and also curiosity in the mind of the other members who are watching you. Okay, what will be the next discussion to follow after this? What best you are going to give after that? So always remain open for discussion and give chance to the board to ask you other question. Every question asked to you is an opportunity to say something about yourself. Take every question respectfully, but not that you will be able to answer to every question. I always say if you have 6 balls in an inning, does not mean that you will take sixers in every ball. Some balls may be left out. Some balls can be just touched. Some balls can be just taken without any run. But wherever you get a chance, you can have 4 or 6 runs. So similarly, whenever you find the question is relevant and really up to your aptitude and interest, do that. But wherever it comes where you don't know the answer of the question, feel free to say no. Hence, be careful in taking guidance and mock interview. Here, a lot of people can come for your advice. And I find that students keep roaming here and there in search of advice, but what will be the right result for interview. Do not take too many advices. Too many cooks spoil the food. Jada jogi mat ka ujaad. So if you make too many gurus to guide you for interview, your originality can be spoiled and you will be confused when you are going the real interview. There can be some very, very common questions. You have to prepare for that. Like, tell us about yourself. Now, how do you introduce yourself? That will open the questions next. Prepare well in advance. If this question asked to me, what information I'm going to reveal to the board, which might create curiosity and take the board in the area of my strength and choice. There could be another question like this. Why do you want to join civil services? They may ask you also specific, why do you want to go for IAS or IPS or IFS? You must be ready with the answer which is convincing, that is close to your heart and matches with reality and your emotion. You should not give random answer, ready-made answer, because that is not at all appreciated. So as advised earlier also, you must know well about each and every service that you have preferred for, and you should get information around that and build your answer accordingly.